Welcome back to Latest Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can add reset the Redmi 13c Android device. But before I kickstart, the first thing I'll urge you to do is to subscribe to this channel, Latest Tech, if you are yet to. So back to the content we are creating today, which is how to add reset, factory reset, or format the Redmi 13c Android device. So the first thing you have to do in order to add reset this device is to power it off. Use the power key to power the device off. Push it up to power the device off. Give it few seconds to completely power off in order to kickstart the add resetting process. After you have noticed that the phone is completely turned off, the next thing you have to do is to press the volume up key and the power key together for a few seconds. This is the volume up key and the power key for a few seconds. When you hear the vibration on the device, release the two keys. When you hear vibration on the device, release the two keys, which is the volume up key and the power key together. Just release it. After releasing the device, you see that the recovery menu will surface. So the next thing you have to do is to use your volume down key to take you to wipe data. When it takes you to wipe data, press the power key and automatically the add resetting will kickstart. In no distance time, you see that the phone will complete the add resetting process automatically to remove the forgotten password you had gone with, pattern, pin, fingerprints, etc. After then, you see that the phone will return to when you bought it newly. If you have any question, if you have any comments, search for the comment section in the below part of this video to comment. Drop it and we'll gladly reply to your comments. Like this video, share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to. See you in our next video. Bye for now.